What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 on Instagram Live. Okay. Welcome to this Instagram Live video on my balcony. Here enjoying the parade goers, you know. What they laughing at? So, all right. So there's some people across the street and all that. All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on my balcony, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my balcony at the parades and stuff like that. Well, I'm not at the parades, you know. So the parade is passing on the main streets, not on the back streets, you know. So so I'm on my balcony and everything and stuff like that. Enjoying the parade goers, and earlier they had an argument and stuff like that. And not only did they had an argument, they almost had a collision. Look at the helicopter, y'all. Do y'all see the helicopter? Yep, the helicopter. Okay. All right. So well. I'll get around and see who was that. Yeah, but I don't know who those people are, you know. So anyway, as long as they don't have no parade goers, come and be beyond the fence, you know. So the way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, you know, long as the parade goers don't go behind the fence and stuff, you know. So as we know, we all want people to have a good time around here, you know. So as I was saying, y'all, be safe out there for Mardi Gras. Don't do anything stupid and stuff like that, you know. Okay. So I'm just gonna be vlogging on this balcony, doing my gaming and stuff like that. I'm gonna go to Facebook Live in a minute, okay? So all I'm saying, y'all, don't do nothing stupid. Don't get too much intoxicated, you know. Go on bourbon, go on Orleans, Napoleon, Chapatulas, wherever the parade's gonna pass. I know some of you folks gonna be out there for the trucks parade, you know. That's gonna be on Canal Street later today, you know. So the way I heard something, but anyway, never mind what I heard. Okay, so when I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, and stuff like that, I'm a one of these days, well, next year, if the COVID cases don't go up, if I don't hear about no COVID cases come going up, I'll probably go to the St. Patrick's Day parade. I might, or the Irish Italian parade. I might, you know, because I don't know. Because truthfully, I don't know who has COVID. You know, I really don't know who have COVID. Nobody knows who have COVID. You know, on his Instagram Live. I'm just saying it. You know. All right. So that's all I gotta say, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm about to go to Facebook Live. Okay. See y'all later.